All right, so I just received the smart sprinkler controller. It runs 8 zones, which we have like 7, and it works on Google Play and Apple. And you can use it on your app and work it from your phone. Let's take a look and see what's inside. So we've got some directions, which we're definitely going to need. These are some decals that you need to use on it. It's got a mounting template. We need to save all of that. And then here's the unit itself. And let's see if we can get it out of here. Oh, look at this. This thing is very, very, wow. It's not very big. Let's pull it out of here. Yeah. Oh, this looks fantastic. I like it small. So there's the unit itself. And it's just got 2 little mounting brackets on it. And it goes AC 24 volt, output AC 24, class 2 transformer for indoor use only. So you can use this outside, but you have to have a special cover for it. So let's go ahead and set this over to the side. Let's see what else it comes with. Okay, so it comes with a transformer. Of course, you can't get it out of here. And so this plugs into your regular 110, and then they gave you some anchors for this thing. We'll set those over there. And that's your transformer right there. So let's take a look on here and see exactly where that goes in. And there is, oh, here it is. This is where it goes in. And look at this. All you've got to do is push your wires right in there. Just got to make sure you get the right wires. So these will go to your little sprinkler zones and tell them when to come on and to come off. And of course, you're going to have to set. You're going to have to set this. You know. Now the question is mine's directly wired, so I don't know how I'm going to need an outlet to put this into. So we're going to have to check that out. So let's go ahead. Let's move this box out of the way so that you can get a better view of this. So this is the unit itself. There's the transformer. There's the power. You can plug it into any 110. As I said, it has 8 going around it. Let me go ahead and pop this open. That doesn't seem to want to kick open. Or does it? It does open up. I'm pretty sure. Here we go. All right, so let's go ahead and just look at it. All right, so here's the unit itself. So now it's got a reset button here. All right, and you can loosen these with a little screwdriver here. Oh, and it does come with this little screwdriver. So, you know, you can unscrew those little things that I was showing you. And then tighten them down. And there's your zones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that all is in there. And then, you know, we're going to have to probably read up on this thing to use it. But anyway, that's your cover. That's how you get to that. Then you can plug your power in right there, just like that, you know, just like that. And then we just got to set it up. All right, so that's going to be a project. I'm going to have to work on that. I'm going to put this, you want to make sure you put this on so this little crevice is on the bottom. And then that is, that's your digital sprinkler system right there. That's your smart sprinkler controller with 8 zones, all right? So that's unboxing that thing. So I've got my smart sprinkler system, but they don't want you to use this outdoors. If you're gonna use it out, see it says for indoor use only, but you can use it outdoors, and the way you would do that is you have to purchase one of these, all right? So let me just back it up so you can see it. So this is a outdoor enclosure that you can put it in. It's designed for this smart sprinkler controller. So we're gonna probably have to use this. All right, so let's just go ahead and open this up, take a look at this box. And of course, this box is much bigger than the sprinkler system is, but it's a pretty simple operation. Look here, you got a little clamp here that you push, and it undoes itself, and then you can pull this open like that. And then your sprinkler system is going to go inside here, just like that. You know, and here's some anchors for you to put it on the wall. And it's got, look, it's got the 110 plug in here, so you can feed the power, I believe, through this little portal here. And we've got a couple screws that we can unscrew there. And then you set your, this would set on like this, right? I do believe it would go like that. And then this would be inside the back of your system. So your system would be sitting in there like this. So you see it's got two little holes there, but the system would be like that, just like that. And then, you know, there you go, bam. To get out, you just go like that. And that's the way that's probably gonna work, right? So, and I'm gonna have to open this up, and I'm gonna have to look in here and see what's going on with all this. But we'll have to check it out. It's gonna be a project. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Got it out. Bam, that's it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out the video when I put this thing in. Cross your fingers I do a good job. Peace out.